Welcome everyone to Learn English with Maria. I'm so happy you're here. Today's episode is going to be all about something we all do almost every day, cleaning the house. But here's the twist. We're going to do it in English. Yes, you'll learn how to talk about your cleaning routine room by room using natural, simple sentences that you can start using right away. Maybe you've asked yourself, how do I say sweep the floor in English? How do I talk about washing the dishes, folding clothes, or wiping the windows? Well, today I'll help you with all of that. And as you listen, try to speak along with me, because the best way to learn is by doing and saying it out loud. All right. Imagine it's the start of the day, you walk around your home, and it looks a little messy. Let's begin with something we all say. The house is a mess. I need to clean. Let me open the windows to let in some fresh air. I should start by tidying up the living room. Now you begin with the small things. I'm picking up the toys from the floor. I'm folding the blanket on the sofa. Let me put the pillows back in place. You notice dust on the table. I need to dust the furniture. Let me wipe the table with a cloth. There's some dirt on the shelf. I'll clean that too. Now you pick up the broom or vacuum. I'm sweeping the floor. There's a lot of dust under the chair. I'll vacuum the carpet next. You move to the next part of the room. I'm cleaning the TV screen. I'm arranging the books on the shelf. Let me light a candle. The room smells better now. That's the living room. Now let's go to the kitchen, one of the busiest places in the house. First, you notice the dishes. There are dirty dishes in the sink. I'm washing the dishes. I'm scrubbing the pans. They're really oily. Now you clean the surfaces. I'm wiping the kitchen counter. I spilled something earlier. Let me clean it. I'm using a sponge and some soap. You check the trash. The trash is full. I need to take it out. I'm tying the trash bag and throwing it away. Now I'll put in a new bag. You open the fridge. I'm checking the fridge for old food. Let me throw out anything expired. I'll wipe the fridge shelves too. Now the kitchen feels clean. Let's move to the bedroom. The bed is messy. I need to make the bed. I'm straightening the bed sheet and fixing the pillows. I'll change the pillowcases today. You look around. There are clothes on the floor. I'm picking up the clothes. Some go in the laundry, some go back in the cupboard. Now the floor. I'm sweeping the bedroom floor. I'll mop it too. It's been a while. I like it when the floor feels clean and fresh. Great! We've cleaned the living room, kitchen, and bedroom. Now let's head into the bathroom, one of the most important places to keep clean. You'll learn helpful, natural sentences you can use while cleaning it, plus some extra daily actions you can talk about in English. Let's go into the bathroom now. First thing you notice? The mirror is dirty. I need to clean the mirror. I'm spraying some cleaner and wiping it with a cloth. Next, the sink area. There's toothpaste in the sink. I'm rinsing the sink with water. I'm scrubbing the sink to make it shine. Now the toilet. I'm cleaning the toilet. I'm using toilet cleaner and a brush. It needs to be disinfected properly. You look at the floor. The floor is wet. I'm mopping the bathroom floor. Let me dry it so no one slips. Let's check the shower or bathtub. There's soap scum on the tiles. I'm scrubbing the shower walls. I'm rinsing everything with hot water. And don't forget the small details. I'm changing the towels. I'm refilling the soap bottle. I'm emptying the bathroom trash. Now the bathroom feels fresh and clean. Let's go to the laundry area now. You've got a pile of clothes waiting. I need to do the laundry. I'm separating the clothes, lights and darks. I'm putting them in the washing machine. Now, the next step. I'm adding detergent. I'm setting the timer. The machine is running. Later on, I'm hanging the clothes to dry. Or maybe I'm putting the clothes in the dryer. Once they're dry, I'm folding the laundry. I'm putting the clothes away in the wardrobe. I'm matching socks and organizing my shirts. Now let's think about some general cleaning activities you do once a week. I'm cleaning the windows today. I'm wiping them with glass cleaner. They look much better now. Or maybe I'm dusting the ceiling fan. There's a lot of dust up there. I'm using a long duster. You could also say, I'm organizing the drawer. I'm cleaning under the bed. I'm decluttering the cupboard. These are great ways to talk about weekly cleaning in English. And let's not forget your cleaning tools. Here are some words you might use. Broom, mop, vacuum cleaner, dustpan, duster, cloth, spray bottle, bucket, scrub brush, sponge, detergent, disinfectant. And sentences like, I need to buy more cleaning supplies. I'm running out of dish soap. Do we have any extra sponges? If you're cleaning with someone else, you might say, can you help me fold the clothes? Let's clean the kitchen together. I'll do the dishes if you take out the trash. This kind of teamwork talk is super useful in daily life too.
Let's keep going. You're doing amazing, and we're building so much useful, real-life English together. Now, let's talk about organizing your home, making a cleaning schedule, and also how to express problems or unexpected situations that can happen while cleaning. Let's start with organizing. These are great sentences when you're arranging or decluttering things at home. I'm organizing my closet today. I have too many clothes. I need to sort them. Some things I'll keep, some I'll donate. You can also say, I'm folding my shirts by color. I'm arranging my shoes neatly. I'm putting away the winter clothes. Maybe you're cleaning your desk or work area. I'm organizing my workspace. There's paper everywhere. I need to file these. I'm throwing away old notes I don't need. If you're cleaning the kids' room, I'm picking up the toys. Let me put these books back on the shelf. I'm sorting the puzzle pieces and crayons. Now let's talk about making a simple cleaning schedule. I clean the kitchen every evening. I vacuum the house on weekends. I do laundry every 3 days. You could also say, I make a list before I clean. It helps me stay focused. I clean one room at a time. Or maybe, I clean for 30 minutes every morning. I use music to make cleaning more fun. I reward myself after cleaning, like with tea or a snack. Simple habits make cleaning easier and keep your home fresh. But cleaning doesn't always go smoothly, right? Sometimes we face small problems. So here's how to talk about that in English too. The vacuum isn't working. I think the broom is broken. There's no more detergent left. Or I spilled water on the floor again. I can't reach that high shelf. I forgot to clean under the sofa. Sometimes cleaning reveals other problems. There's mold in the bathroom. The drain is clogged. There are ants near the window. Now imagine you're calling someone to fix something. Can you send someone to clean the carpet? I need help fixing the kitchen sink. The washing machine is leaking. Super useful, right? And here are a few more natural sentences people say during or after cleaning. I feel tired but satisfied. The house looks amazing now. I love the smell of a clean home. I'm glad I cleaned today. It feels good.
All right, let's finish strong in this one. And thank you for sticking through this full episode. You've now learned tons of natural, real-life English sentences that you can actually use during your daily housework. And the best part? You're now not just cleaning your home, you're also cleaning up your English, making it clearer, more natural, and more confident. Let's wrap up with a few more natural phrases, phrasal verbs, and everyday expressions people often use when talking about cleaning. Let's start with phrasal verbs. I need to tidy up the room. Let's wipe down the table. Can you sweep up the crumbs? I'm throwing out some old things. Let me put away the dishes. I have to clean out the fridge this weekend. Let's air out the room. It smells a bit stuffy. I need to pick up the clothes from the floor. I'm sorting out the laundry. Let me soak up the water with a towel. All of these are super natural and commonly used in everyday English. You'll hear native speakers say them all the time. Now, a few more casual, daily sentences people say after cleaning. Finally, the house is clean. It feels so fresh in here. I can relax now. I think I earned a break. Next time, I'll clean with music. It's more fun. Cleaning is tiring, but worth it. I'm proud of myself today. And that's it for this episode. You didn't just learn random vocabulary, you learned how to live in English, speak it while doing normal things, and enjoy the learning process. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with someone who wants to speak English better too. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Maria. We're here to bring you real, simple, useful English that fits into your life. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing. Bye for now.